Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's going to be a cozy fall evening shower routine using a few products that is so good for the fall weather. Dove Nourishing Silk. It smells so beautiful, so sugary and smooth and just light, along with soft soap exfoliating body bar soap, coconut extract. It smells amazing, you guys. I've been using like my old soaps. I'll be adding them to my hand soap dish if I'm not using it. So that's a good way to really use your soaps. And I'll be adding the antibacterial Dove just to get my routine started. I'm going to start by washing my hands and getting my hair wrapped.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Starting to wrap my hair using my Goody clips. I really love these clips and my rat tail comb. I have to wrap my hair and really secure it for any shower or bath. Actually, it's been a couple days and I have not been getting in the shower. So today will actually be the first day me getting in the shower. So I'm definitely going to wrap my hair. And you guys, wrapping my hair has not been like easy this time around. Like, I used to be a wrap queen literally, because in high school I always had my hair flat ironed. I always had a pair of flat irons in my house. Like, it was a routine for me. Like, my hair always was straight. Like, I used to get perms and everything, but I had stopped getting perms early on, and I would like flat iron my hair like once a week. Well, not once a week, just like one time until I washed my hair. Like, I started to stop, using too much heat. That's how it kind of started. But then when I moved to California, it was like, who is you? Why is your hair looking so nasty and atrocious? My ends was just, it was just short and and so ugly. So that's when I went natural and decided to get to know myself. So yeah, this will be my first time getting in the shower. It's been like 3 days since my silk press, and I'm just, securing it with my little edge wrap or wig holder, whatever you want to call it. Let's get some water in because hydration is key to healthy hair. But with this silk press, I've been really destroying and searching a lot of single strand knots. So let's get in this shower, you guys. It's about time. felt amazing. For my downstairs area, I use the Dove Sensitive Skin Soap. I've been loving that for downstairs area. I was so scared because it was a soap, but hey, it's a beauty bar. Get some water in and let's wash my face. This is the first thing I love to do before I even, touch my body with lotion is wash my face. I'm putting on a different band because that one got a little wet. So my back probably curl up in 2 days. I'm washing my face with this gentle cleanser by Natrium. It has the vitamin C, niacinamide, and I use this gentle cleanser. Feels like silk on the face in the evenings, and I use my like active cleansers in the daytime. But normally I use my gentle one, and then this is my go-to one. I love so much, so dearly. If you guys need a gentle cleanser or just been looking for something to use in the evening, try this one out. You can get it at Target. I think they have smaller ones. And I'll be using something I just got from Nordstrom's the other day. This is Aveda Hydrating Lotion. Hydrating Lotion. Why did that sound like I didn't say that right? But this is my first night using it, and I can say I'm impressed. It's like toner consistency, but once you put it on your face, it like feels very moisturizing. It spreads easily, and I'm just like here for it. These products is pretty expensive, Aveda, so I'll be seeing what it is. It does has SA in it, salicylic acid, so we're gonna see. So yes, you guys, I'm going to be brushing my teeth, and what else I'm gonna do? I'm brush my teeth. I'm going to use my Foreo Neem Make Your Teeth Clean toothpaste. You guys, I love my Neem. This is like the best natural toothpaste you could use. Like I get so many compliments just on my teeth. Like people be wanting my teeth out my mouth. I'm just scared of them. Then I'm gonna use my tongue scraper, agitate that gunk up, then slide it out. And these are the products I'm be using. Chef's Kiss, you guys. Bomb, 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 bomb. Chef's Kiss. Oh, that's the deodorant. I used the crystals for the face wash. I used the hydrating lotion I used, and for my eyebrows, I've been putting castor oil on my eyebrows lately, the clear one, you guys, not the black one. And I really see a difference in my eyebrows. Like they're literally growing in, getting longer, and I just really been consistent putting this on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows every night. It helps take off any like eye product makeup that I use on my face for the day. So if you want to thicken your eyebrows naturally, like I'm really trying to find the key to it, because I do have like, well, I think I have naturally sparse brows. So I'm gonna just put some of that Marmande lip mask on my face. Plum Blossom, I love this. Next to Laneige, I can't even say Laneige. So good. Look, I keep drinking my water, like I'm not playing. And I love my new glass water bottle, you guys. I'm not thinking about plastic leaching in my water. This glass bottle is so good. And I'm gonna just moisturize my hands just a little extra before I moisturize my body with that Vaseline. The baby powder one is so good. It smells amazing. So let's get this in. Let's get the moisturizer my body.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like man. But thank God for the journey, the burning, the dust, the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say, I just saw them, saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, falling on the man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earning, so just to the plus. Yeah, my gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings to all of my done. But I do it for the friends with the club. Me load one time, did sit down in a class, so important. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. Just so blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. Just so blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top. Breathe from me delighted. Jah knows I'm a person ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the clocks.
Thank you guys for watching my cozy fall routine. You guys, my skin feels amazing with this combination. Very moisturizing and just soft. I smell so good with my coconut latte cocoa perfume. You guys, good night. Have a good one.